Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're out on the Explorer and we're putting on wiper blades. We got this kit from Amazon. The nice thing is when you get this, you get all three of them. We'll show you how to put them on because they're a little different than the old school wipers. So first thing we did, of course, was open them all up. They come in nice plastic bags, which is kind of cool. They come protected. Don't worry about this bend, it'll come out. But one of the big things you got to look at is, look at this. We got one that's long and one that's short. See the difference here? So you got a right and a left. The shorter one will go on the passenger side and the longer one will go on the driver's side. The real baby one is further back. So let me show you how we do these. It's kind of different, but link to Amazon for this item here. You can go to an oil change place, and when they change your oil, they'll put these on for free if you buy their wiper blades. Keep in mind, all of this was under 30 bucks, and they're going to charge you at least $15 or $20 a wiper. So let me show you the trick. So the thing you have with these is these have two little tabs, and we'll show you that. We'll push these tabs, and we'll pull this away. And there you go, okay? Just comes away, and it's out. So you can see the two tabs here, see the little slot here. This little piece goes in the slot and it kind of clicks up. It's a little different. Now it used to be you could only get these at the Ford dealer, and you can see why we're changing these, because if you look real close right here, you can see this is cracking. Hopefully you can see that in the camera. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our new one. I think we're going to open it up. And then to put this on, again, you have to bring it underneath. You got to press these tabs. I don't know if you can see the tabs. Press the tabs in, but you got to push this up in here. Then you push these tabs in and tip this up. It's not the easiest to get in there. There we go. You got to make sure your wipers tip. I don't know if you saw that in the camera there, but so what we did is we tipped this way so that these could be pushed in. All right, so tip that up. So we're going to put this in here like this. And I'm going to push those little tabs in just like that. Then you kind of want to wiggle them a little bit. Make sure they're not going to come out. It's not going to come out. And don't forget to take that off. There you go. That wiper's on. We're going to go do the other one. We'll show you that one. This one's a little harder. It's a little bit of a reach. And we're going to bring it up here like this. Again, you got to pull this away, push this in, and pull it out. How easy that comes out. Again, same thing with a new one. The new one here, again, you want to push this down. So you push this up on here, just like that. And then you can tip this away, and you can kind of push these in. And pull them down like that. Again, you want to get your fingers in there. Make sure those are out. Forget to pull the little cover off. There we go. You can see our wipers are on there. Now the old ones, you can see we're getting pretty crapped up. Sometimes I keep these just so I got them on the road. If you break one and you don't want to scratch the window, you can flip them on. So I'm going to throw these in the back of the car. So here's your rear one. You can see that just has a little spot there where it snaps on. So all they do is you just pop it out, pop it in, but don't just yank on it. We'll show you. We're going to go real easy with this. Let's go back there and try it. So again, here, you just got to kind of get under here with both your fingers and put some pressure on it. Usually it pops off pretty easy. It's cold out, so it's a little harder to get them. Okay, so there you go. See, I just took a little bit of work in there, but so you can see these are the same. So now it's just a matter of sneaking this in there in the same spot. There we go. You hear that click. There you go. Wipers on. Easy as pie. So there you go. Wipers are on. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Catch you in the next video. Don't forget, use Amazon links to shop. Again, it helps support the channel when you do, and we really appreciate your support. So thank you very much. Catch you in the next video. Do your wipers yourself and save some money.